Hey guys, my name is Joshua Smith and I'm the variable programmer here at Daily Printing. Today I'm going to give you all a tutorial of the digital storefront. I will be going over various topics such as how to navigate the storefront, features available to you as a customer, and how to use our variable data program known as Smart Canvas. Before we dive into the tour of the digital storefront, I just wanted to take some time to go over some features that may not be shown in the video but are available to you upon request. The first feature I'd like to mention are approvals. Approval settings work as a way to keep in touch with what your users are ordering, how many of that product they're ordering, and what the total cost of their order is. The approver will have the ability to approve or deny an order. This works really great for some customers who are trying to be conscious of what their users are spending company money on. Approvals can be set up for specific users or specific products and can be triggered based on the quantity of product being ordered or a maximum price. The next feature that is worth mentioning is access control. Let's say you want one group of people to be able to access only business cards and the other group that can only access brochures. With group settings, we create groups that have access to different categories on your storefront and only users assigned to these groups can access them. The last feature I wanted to talk about was super user access. Each storefront can appoint one super user. This special type of user is given management abilities within the storefront. They have the ability to create new users or update existing users, view all products across all groups and categories, have all pending approvals sent to them, and can even log in to any user within their company. These are all tools that can be fantastic in certain situations. Now that we've discussed some of the different features that are available, let's move on to a tour of the digital storefront. There are a couple of ways you can navigate to your storefront. If you currently have a generic site, which just means you use Daily Printing's default layout with our logo, you will navigate to dailyprinting.myprintdesk.net, which I will place on your screen. Otherwise, if you have a custom digital storefront with a unique URL, you'll type that in instead. This is usually your company name .myprintdesk.net. Once you make your way to the storefront, you'll click Log In on the top right-hand corner of the screen. Go ahead and log in with your username and password provided. One thing I should note is I am demonstrating the storefront on a pretty bare basics custom site. We can customize your storefront to look very similar to your main website. Theme, images, and logo can all be added. Alright, so the first thing you'll notice is your category list on the left-hand side of the screen, as well as your featured categories underneath the banner. In this demonstration, I've added 4 different categories containing 4 different types of products that we offer. We'll get into those later. First, let me show you the different pages on the site. To get to these other pages, you can navigate to them by hovering your cursor over your name on the top right-hand corner of your screen. The first page we have here is your order history and status page. This is where you can view all pending or completed orders. Next, we have the My Profile page. Here you can view and edit your profile information such as password and security questions. Here we have another very useful tool, the address book. This can be used to save contact and shipping information. This comes in handy when you're checking out. Instead of typing in addresses manually, all you have to do is select an entry from your address book. Something else I should show you is that you can also navigate to the different pages using this list on the left-hand side. The My Saved Files section is used to save files such as images and PDFs. These are useful when submitting ad hoc items. I'll be showing you an example of this type of product later on in the video. The My Saved Jobs page is useful when you're working with variable information. If you don't want to retype every field, you can simply save a product that is already filled out and then order it from here. The last page we're going to talk about is the Downloads page. We offer digital products, which usually come in a PDF format. So if you purchase a digital product, this is where it would show up. We're going to navigate back to the home screen, and then we're going to look at some of these demo products, starting with the business cards. In this example, these business cards are going to be a variable product using Smart Canvas. Smart Canvas is an easy-to-use variable printing tool. All you need to do is fill out the fields and watch them populate onto the virtual business card to the right. Smart Canvas is configured to justify content. So if new information is added or removed, the content will automatically adjust. Another way to use Smart Canvas is by using batch mode. This is used to upload a data list or Excel spreadsheet to populate the fields. You can either upload your own file or download a template that is specifically formatted for uploading. Just note that if you do upload your own list, make sure to convert it to a .csv format. The next type of product I'm going to show you is what we call an ad hoc product. This can be used to upload your own print-ready artwork. When you add the files, you have a few options, and the two that are the most convenient would probably be the upload files and the saved files, which we went over a little bit earlier in the video. This next product is what we call a matrix. This just provides a drop-down selection between similar products. In this case, we have a tumbler that varies in color, so the drop-down contains a list of colors you can choose from. This could also work with t-shirts in varying sizes or just anything that you have different variations of. The last product is the simplest of them all, which is just a static product. This is a product that you send to us as a PDF and we'll upload it to be ordered. Then all a customer has to do is click the Buy Now. After you've added all of your items to your cart, the checkout process is fairly simple. After you click on Proceed to Checkout, you'll notice these shipment types. If you have your own custom shipment method or you need specific shipping methods, let us know and we can add them for you. The last step is choosing your payment method. We can set these up however you'd like. The most common payment types are cost centers, PO numbers, and invoices. Because this is just a demo page, it isn't going to let me check out, but you get the idea. However, if this was a real order, the system is going to generate an order number. If you ever have any questions about an order, you can always contact your sales representative. Give them your order number, and we can go from there. You can also view all of your orders in the order history and status page we talked about earlier. I hope this video helped you understand what we can offer you and your company. If you have any additional questions in regards to the storefront, please reach out to us and we'll do our best to answer them.